What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk tweaks. So for those who jailbreak their devices on both the Unc0ver and the Checkra1n for iOS 13 up to 13.5, those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys if you can give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks. Number one on my list will be the AZColor. This will be allow you to colorize most of the application. Even it's going to be allow you to enable the alert color, so you can colorize a lot of things with that tweak. This is the AZColor. Right now we are under the settings. Go ahead first of all, if you want to toggle the alert background system, if you want that with the apps, if you want to choose the color, go ahead and toggle at that, and you can choose your favorite color. Also, we have another toggle if you want to enable the alert color, so you can customize, and then you can once you receive any kind of alert in your iPhone, it comes with your customized color, so you can choose the alert label color from in there, and also you can choose the alert title color from in there, and also there is another section for to choose the alert message label. So once you're done, you need to make sure to respring your device so your device will be take the effect. Also, there is another tweak that I'm about to even talking with you guys about it, will be allow you to colorize some other application in your iDevice. This is what the tweak pretty much will be provide you once you install it in your jailbroken device. If you guys want to download this one is called the AZColor. Let's move on right now to talking about the next one. I'm right now on my lock screen. You guys can see right now those are 3 lines animation. Also, you can bring any kind of application. Simply, if you want to launch any one of these applications, just go ahead, tap on it, bring that to the bottom. It will be take you right away to any kind of application you want to customize and bring that custom application into your lock screen. So this is the next Cydia tweak. If you guys want to know what is that tweak, this is called the B3RRY. I don't know how to say that, but this is the name of that tweak. It's a new tweak. So this is what the tweak will be provide you with. Most of the stuff will be for the lock screen. If you want to change those 3 lines color right now, you can go ahead and navigate to the colors here bar, and this will be allow you to colorize most of the things here. If you want to enable the mode here, you can toggle that. If you want to go with the custom colors, just like the way that I do right now, you have 3 different kind of sections for each single line here. You can tap on the color, you can choose your favorite color. Anyway, we have another section here. The section will be to hide the quick action bounce here if you want to toggle that, and also we have another section if you want to select the apps that the one that I show you on my lock screen. So how many sections you have? You have 4 sections. You can bring 4 application if you want to launch these right away from your lock screen. Let me show you guys once again. This is the one that I have here. Those the 4 different kind of application. Let me just launch my settings once again right away from the lock screen, just like that. So if you want to select the application, go ahead and tap on the section here, choose the application, go back and choose the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Once you're done, go ahead and just tap on respring. This is will be respring your device, and as I show you guys, if you want to take a look at it once again, this is how it's gonna be the lock screen, just like that, with the 3 lines, with the application, the one you like. You can bring those to launch those right away from the lock screen. Anyway, this one will be called the B3RRY. As far as we talking about the lock screen, you guys can take a look right now. The next Cydia tweak will be talking about the time here, and even you have more than customized stuff, you can customize those with Kalm. So go ahead and download the tweak, and then you can choose the default or the compact mode from there. You can choose one of these right now here, and we have different kind of section. If you want to bring some other element, you can add those into your lock screen. For example, we have the weather here, so you have that toggle. Go ahead and toggle that. Going to the settings section here, you can toggle the icon, for example, if you want to. And then also we have at the bottom the options, for example, to show the location and also show the condition. Here at the bottom we have different kind of options. If you want to go through or the time here, once you're done you need to make sure to press on the apply. We have another section here for the up next here if you want to launch that, and also the schedule here if you want to tap on it. It comes with different kind of stuff right now. And also we have another section if you want to go to general settings here. So first of all, talking about the colors, go ahead and tap on the colors. This will be allow you to customize a lot of different kind of colors for different kind of section, but you need to make sure first of all to read each single section individual. Give you different kind of options. Here also we have the font widget here, so if you tap on it, this will be giving you different kind of options as well. To talking about what is those will be for. So one of them is going to be for the time, one of them is going to be for the date, one of them is going to be for the weather, the up next, and so on. If we go back here, we have the date formats here, so you can change that. You can toggle some stuff if you want to. And also we have the more section. It comes and giving you some extra stuff to customize, and one of them is gonna be to custom the scale, for example. And also if you want, like for example, custom the position, go ahead and toggle that. First of all, this is gonna be provide you with that slider so you can adjust the weight. And here at the top you can take a look right now here that you can move and you can place the time, you can switch the location, you can put it at the right, you can keep it at the center, and then you can keep it with default. Once you download the tweak, it comes to the left side. So this is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. You need to make sure there is a lot of stuff, so you need to make sure once you're done from everything, just go ahead and tap on the apply. This will be apply all the changes. Once again, guys, this one will be called the Kalm. Moving right now to talking about the next one, the KillX Pro. This is will be for your switcher, for your multitasking, how many application you run always in your background. So this tweak will be allow you to kill or swipe down. You can configure a lot of different kind of stuff once you download the tweak. For example, you're listening for your audio and then you want to go to multitasking. You don't want to kill the audio, or you don't want to kill the YouTube application, for example, and so you can prevent that from the switcher. Anyway, let me show you guys the allow swipe up to kill, so you can toggle that. The lock apps, this is the section that I told you guys. So any kind of application you mark it from in there, this will be prevent that from closing. So if you want to kill the whole application that run in your background, kill everything but the one that you already marked, for example, from the lock apps, it won't be closed. So for example, you're listening for your audio, this is will be good, and that tweak will be for you. One of the options, if you want to show the bottom, if you want to color the bottom, if you want to the bottom offset, and then also we have the style here. So this is gonna be the auto, and this is gonna be the extra light, and also we have another one for the lights, and we have the dark. So once you're done from those, you need to make sure to apply all the changes. Also the haptic feedback, if you want to toggle that, if you want to toggle the auto close switcher, you can toggle that from in there. And also it comes with animation. Use default animation if you want to. So for example, let me go multitasking, swipe down just like that. You can take a look at it. So this is how it's gonna be looks like. It comes with different kind of options, as I told you guys. If you guys want to bring this one into your iPhone, this one will be called the KillX Pro. Moving right now to talking about the next Cydia tweak. The next one will be called the SFY. So this is will be allow you to customize the Facebook, Safari, YouTube, Cydia, any kind of application you want to customize and put some color on it. You can do that with that tweak. So first of all, go ahead, enable the tweak, and also if you want the Safari enabler, you can toggle that from near the YouTube play in the background. It comes with that option. And also if you want to custom the colors enabler, so you can first of all put some colors on the bars color, and also we have another section if you want the text icon color, you can switch that. Anyway, if you want to see how is that will be work, for example, let me just launch my Safari here, and then you can take a look at it right now. The whole thing in the top, in the bottom, this is how it's gonna be, looks like the same kind of thing that I have with Cydia. Cydia will be looks like that. The same kind of thing if I want to launch my my app store here, so you can see the tab here at the bottom comes with different kind of color just like that, and this is what the tweak will be provide you with. So this is the most of things that comes with that tweak. Under the settings, once you done it from the most configuration, you need to make sure to reset your device so your device will be take the effect. Once again, this one will be called the SFY. Anyway guys, this is the most tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, in today's update. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. I hope you guys enjoy most the tweaks that I show you already. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.